to set up a custom domain for your application that you've deployed to Railway app. So this is my application. It's just a Next.js application, and I'll be using just a shared hosting to get the domain, or rather the subdomain, for this purpose. So I'll just go to my cPanel. I'll just type again domains. So in here, I'll create a new domain or a subdomain. This will be a subdomain. So I'll say demo at smartlodge.co.ke. So this is the subdomain, railway demo at node. So this is my subdomain, and then I'll not tick this option, so that it remains this, and I'll submit. So this is a shared hosting. In case you are using other providers like GoDaddy or any other domain provider, the process should be the same. I'll mark this later, but on here to Railway, I'll come to the settings, and then public networking. You see this one is running on port 8080, so I'll just do the same. I'll paste here, and then I'll select a port, this 8080, and then I'll say add domain. Yeah, so Railway will give me a CNAME record that I'll add on my end. So I'll just copy this and configure it here. So I'll add a record. Just let manage, and then add a record. So it's a CNAME record. This is the name that is given here, and then the name is Railway Demo over here. And then so it says invalid. So this is because there's other existing records for the Railway Demo. So I'll try to delete them, and we will add them again. Yeah, we do have this, which is an A record. I'll delete it. I'll also delete this. I'll also delete the txt, and this txt record. So I'll add again. I'll try adding it again. So Railway Demo. It's a CNAME record. Yeah, we have successfully added it. So now I'll come to, and I'll say dismiss. So it will take some minutes to validate the domain. Let me try refreshing this. So it's still validating, but visiting here, I'll proceed for now before I set up the SSL certificate. Yeah, so it's up. Let me go to my cPanel. And try refreshing this, and then I'll just go back to this. Okay, it hasn't renewed the SSL certificate. Let's try again. Let me try in a different browser. Okay, I think it takes time to renew the SSL certificate, but in a few minutes it should be up. In a few minutes it will be secure. Yeah, let's give it a few minutes to, I'll try again. But this is ideally how you configure custom domain. You see, this domain is now what is being used for this application here. Say setup complete. Okay, still an issue with the SSL, which is yeah, I think with let's just give it time. It should be able to, we should be able to have it secure here. And I think this is it. In few minutes it should be secure and have a HTTP